How to find an old liked video on your Facebook. So if you have liked a video like 2 days ago and you want to see the video again, so I'm here to help you how you can find a video. For that, we need to go to the three lines on the top right corner and then swipe down and go to settings. From the privacy and settings and privacy, tap here and then go to settings, and from here we need to swipe down and find this option called activities. Wait, let me find activity logs. Tap here, and from this your Facebook activity, tap this arrow button or here, and then comment and reaction, tap here. So here in this page you will find all the videos or images you have liked in your past, and you will be able to see the image again from here. So yeah, that's how you find your old liked videos on Facebook.